Meaning of gin.
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 Gin. Gin is a clear alcoholic beverage that is typically made from juniper berries and other botanicals. It has a distinctive aroma and flavor profile, with notes of pine, citrus, and spice. Gin is commonly used as the base for cocktails such as the martini, gin and tonic, and Negroni. It is also often enjoyed on its own, either neat or over ice. Gin's popularity has grown significantly in recent years, with many artisanal distillers creating unique and flavorful versions of this classic spirit.